Video number 1. Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply media buying video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of media buying on behalf of your business. I'm so excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This excellent and exclusive video training will take you by the hand and show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you really need to know in order to dominate media buying the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This is exactly what you are going to learn. In video 1, you will get a detailed explanation of what will be included in the complete training so that you can have a clear vision of what to expect from it. In video number 2, you will learn what media buying and banner advertising is all about. We will give you the easiest definition for it so you can have an easy but correct and very clear knowledge of this extremely powerful advertising approach. In video number 3, you will learn why you should definitely use media buying for your business. You will learn about some of its amazing benefits, as well as several shocking facts that will make you decide to start using it right away. In video number 4, you will learn about the top 10 media buying websites you can use to start enjoying this amazing advertising strategy. There are several services dedicated to help you get the most out of media buying. In videos number 5 through number 12, you will watch our over-the-shoulder method on setting up a profitable media buying campaign from start to finish. We will cover topics like understanding your business, understanding your target audience, finding websites to advertise on, creating media buying ads, creating the landing page for advertisement, setting up your first media buy ad campaign, tracking your ad campaigns and testing, optimizing, and scaling. In video number 13, you will learn the 10 do's you must follow for successful media buying campaigns. These are specific things you should remember to use or practice so you can succeed. In video number 14, you will learn the 10 warnings you should be aware of on media buying. Miss them and be prepared to be disappointed in your marketing efforts. In video 15, you will get the chance to look at several shocking media buying case studies. These are actual examples we have taken from the internet to show you how media buying actually works for other businesses so that you can have complete confidence in your ability to achieve your own business success story with it. In video number 16, you will learn how to use media buying as an internet marketer in order to make money online. Strategies that you can apply and definitely see great results in your internet marketing efforts. These strategies have been used by experienced internet marketers obtaining awesome results. Well, it's time to dominate media buying, fellas. I know you will love this training a lot. Video number 16. Media buying for internet marketers, making money online. There are many ways to make money online, and the wonderful thing about media buying is that you can use it to make money with each and every one of those ways. Media buying is one of the most flexible ways to make money online. One of the most common problems we as marketers face when working with the majority of the paid advertising networks out there is that they have so many rules that we don't have the time to know and understand every one of them. They just disapprove our ad, or even our account, before knowing the reason why we got banned. That won't happen with media buying, because you will be dealing with the publisher directly. He just needs to check your ad and website, and he will approve it in 24 hours max. I myself have not gotten disapproved for any ad using BuySellAds.com, and I have had great traffic coming from it. Media buying has huge potential for money making. Being an online marketer, media planning and buying will assist you in building powerful marketing strategies to get your desired success. Media buying has less competition, less rules and regulations, and possesses a potential to target precise audiences. There's no inventory markup pricing, and you can start on any budget and analyze your campaign easily. This is how you can make money online with media buying. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest and most common ways marketers pick to make money online. This consists of you joining an affiliate network such as Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, ClickShore, Neverblue, MaxBounty, PureFly, etc. There are so many affiliate networks out there, and they are all free to join. Once you have created your account, you can pick from high-quality products created in a lot of different categories. It's just like going into a high-quality product shopping mall, picking the most awesome and highest converting product of your choice, and deciding to promote it. You then pick your unique and personalized affiliate URL where you will send all the traffic to. And once people start buying from it, you will be able to get 50% or even up to 100% of the price of the product for yourself as a commission. Yeah, in your own pocket, without having to deal with product delivery. Yeah, it's a lot of fun to make money that way, but you have to get the traffic, and that's where media buying may come into play. You can insert that affiliate URL directly into the media buying ad campaign. It's not like other PPC networks where you can get banned for doing that. With media buying, you can certainly do it that way. List building. Building a list is one of the greatest things an online marketer could ever do. You can build your list on absolutely any topic with the help of the internet. Building a targeted list can help you guarantee the traffic that comes to your website. If you have a 10,000 person list of subscribers and send 500 visitors to your website, let's say every 2 days from that list, that will be 7,500 clicks of absolutely free traffic. The only thing you have to do is pay your autoresponder service to maintain that list. But how can you build that list? Here is where media buying comes into play. You just need to build a really attractive lead capture landing page, like the ones you see on this training. Then, you create a media buying campaign on websites directly related to your landing page's niche. And then you can create an email marketing plan to promote your offers with 100% free traffic. Of course, you'll have to spend money to create your list, but it's something you will recover in a very short period of time, and you'll get to keep your list for the rest of your life, if you know how to treat it. Product launch. If you are an advanced marketer and know how product launches work, you could easily get the most out of product launches with media buying. You can buy media buying advertising on digital product launch platforms such as ClickBank, Warrior Forum, and others. You may also be able to buy media buying advertising in very important internet marketing websites such as Muncheye and John Chow. If you would like to promote non-internet marketing launches, you can easily use the techniques you have learned to get as much traffic as you want from as many different websites as you want. Remember, it's always better to test. You should test the traffic sources you are planning to use on a launch. You can just promote related affiliate offers before you launch and see if those people who visit those websites you plan to advertise on are action-taking people. If people buy using your affiliate link, then they will most probably buy your products in the upcoming launch, because buyers will be present in the traffic coming to those websites. Video marketing. You can also buy video ads to promote affiliates offers as well. You can create your video ad in various styles. Look for those websites that allow video ads on their sites and buy a space there and link your video ad with a tracking code to track your video traffic. You can create ads on YouTube, Vine, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and others. Create short videos that will get approved easily with unique and fresh content and keywords. 4 types of ads you can create with YouTube. In-stream ads generally come into sight just before you play a YouTube video. In-search ads display in the top positions of YouTube search results when keywords are searched. In-slate ads generally are utilized before videos that have long durations. In-display ads display on all Google Display Network websites. You can also buy side space and top space to advertise your video ad. Social media marketing. You can purchase space on social media to gain a big audience. You can target your customers on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Flickr, Instagram, Tumblr, and LinkedIn. But here you will have to be careful on what offers you are going to promote, especially with Facebook. Facebook has 1.39 billion global monthly active users. On Facebook, your ad placements are decided according to page location, pricing, list, and performance. These ads will appear in news feeds and in the right side column, and are based on a CPC and a CPM basis. You can choose ads per your requirement, such as a photo ad, video ad, link ad, text ad, page-like ad, mobile app ad, offer ad, event ad, and desktop app ad. It also provides you targeting options to get more potential customers. It assists you with data and insights so that you can track your campaign. Twitter gives you the power to share your ideas. You can run objective-based campaigns on Twitter. It helps you to grow your campaign, send your audience to your website, reach more people to improve your conversion, and generate leads. You can target your customers based on their interest, followers, and keywords. It also provides measurements and analytics to optimize your campaign.